hope you enjoyed it. I already said that. Should I just, I don't know. Should I? Hi. Good morning. It's not morning. It's midday. Anyway. Oh. Don't mind the towel that is drying here. Gosh. Yes. Very. Oh dear. I lost a pin. Wait. Here. Wait. We can do this. We can do this. I really like. Yeah. I don't know. It makes me really, really happy. Whew. Hello, welcome back to this channel. I hope you're excited for a new project because I am. My physical health has been kind of not great. I've been sick for 2 weeks. I've gotten 2 UTIs now right now this month, so it's going great. It's going wonderful, but I'm feeling like sewing. Also, I'm really excited about this, but I'm also uncertain about this thing. It's unrelated to the video, but I just wanted to share it because I made my first sailor hat and it went decently well. It actually hats. I did have to adjust because for some reason the brim was too long, so I had to cut it off. But it looks quite decent. I even got like a lining and everything, and I don't know, I'm pretty proud of it. I did this off camera because I just wanted to try it out and just have something I can do for me. But yeah, I made this. I'm just like, does this look good? Should the brim be like shorter? Does this look cute? Is this too much? I don't know. Like, I think I like it, but also I'm confused about it. Which is still unrelated to this video, but I just want your opinion on this. I guess by the time this is gonna air, I already have made my mind up, hopefully, but you know, maybe not. Anyway, so for this project, this suit, you can't see its suit now, but you can see it now. I love this suit. I've had it for at least over a decade. It's from American Apparel, once upon a time. I really like it. It's really comfortable. It still goes strong, but it has some stains. Like, I don't know if you can see it, but it got some, like, I don't know, is it bleaching? Is it, I don't know, but it got stains, so I need to upcycle it. And I recently, sorry, I'm just gonna remove it because I don't know. So I also got, let's see, a new sewing foot, like a free motion sewing foot, because I've seen a couple of people on the internet making like patches and doing really cool stuff, and that inspired me and makes me really, really excited. So I thought this is the perfect thing to try it on because I really want to be able to wear it again because it's really comfortable, and I really need comfortable clothes right now. Like, I seem to have, as I grow older, less and less tolerance for anything that is physically making me uncomfortable. So it's good to have options. So we're gonna upcycle this, and I've got a plan, but I think I'm gonna start with showing you all the leftover scrap fabric that I can use. I already sorted it out a little bit. This is the scrap pile. I think it has like a decent amount of color matching, not matching, like color palette. I think I like the color palette. It's mostly pinks, greens, and blues. I think it's gonna work well. It's like a very basic baseline, so anything will go. And I'm thinking of making planets, and I also want to do a crab for some reason. I don't know if I'm capable of it. I've never done this, so maybe I'm very much overestimating myself. I seem to do that kind of a lot. Like, one of the things is, like, I've got this summer top. It's still fine, but I've seen pictures of me in it and I just don't like the way it looks, but I really love the color. So I think and it's also not in that great of condition that I want to give it to someone else. So I think it's going to be perfect for doing some patches. So that is one of the things. I got this random red one that has always been a scrap. It's not mine, it's from someone else. I got this, you might recognize this, is my curcuma dyed fabric. Thought it might be nice. Got this lovely green. I also got a green t-shirt that I might use because I really love the color, but it's deteriorating quite fast, so maybe I want to use it on this. I've got some blues here, mainly for the crab. The crab is going to be blue. I've got some of this fabric, which I made a suit as well. So there's a lot of stuff you might recognize from, well, everything. So more curcuma dyes. I've got this one. I might not use it or I might use it. I'm not certain. We're just going to play around. But I just got colors that kind of match. Might use the map hands because maybe I want to put a world on here. What better is it to use this fabric? I thought that might be fun. Got some oranges and reds because like I basically went for the colors that bring me most joy, and I really love orange and pink and reds together, and also love pink and green together. That's like one of my favorite color combinations. I'm really into yellow at the moment, so I want to add a bit of yellow with the curcuma. Might make a moon out of it. So I also got this fabric, which you've seen in right now. It might be the last video that's up. Yeah, it actually might be. I don't know. I'm kind of behind on my videos, editing my videos, so it's not going on in order. You're probably gonna see this in months' time, but I'm at least working on it. Already made a little collection of thread that I could use, as I do need that. Also, I haven't looked properly into how to use this, but I'm probably going to be fine. I've got a glue stick for fabric. I think I'm going to use that to keep things in place. But yeah, I already made some templates just to play around and see where I want to put it. These templates, we got a crab, tiny little planet. I've got, I don't know, like a star moon sort of planet. Another planet, another planet, a moon. Can you see the moon? I might also do an anglerfish. I don't know really what the theme is, but mostly spacey. That is what the theme mostly is going to be. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put on the suit and just pin the templates on there so that I get some idea of where I want to put it, if it's a good idea, if I need different sizes of planets still. So that's the plan, and then I'm just gonna start cutting out some fabric and just be creative. I don't think I'm gonna be able to start sewing today, but I do want to make a good way through whatever this is. Yeah, I'm excited about this. I hope I can finish it by the weekend, but I don't know if I can do that timing wise. I have got 3 to 4 days. Might be enough, should be enough, but my body feels so horrible right now, but we're gonna hopefully fix that. But yeah, I'm gonna be creative and be in my own little world, and hopefully it's gonna be fun to watch, and more importantly, hopefully it's fun to wear for me, because that's why I'm doing sewing right now. Yeah. Also, I've been really loving the reactions I've been getting on my videos lately. Really makes me happy. So please continue just writing stuff about you. Yeah, just keep doing you. Really appreciate it. So So, a little break in between, I made the I cut out the patches, I glued some parts together, I even started stitching some. Not all worked because I think they need like an extra layer of fabric before I can safely sew with the new sewing foot without the fabric scrunching. But before I can do that, I need to find the placements of these patches. So I've been playing around with putting them on the suit, and I think I got somewhere that I quite like. Also, I made my crab, and it's not finished yet, like it's not perfect yet, but I'm really proud of it. I'm gonna see if I can show you close up because I'm wearing it. It's kind of difficult. Okay, let's go. Can you see it? Yeah? Can you see it? Because I'm really proud of it. I think it's really cute. And I think it's gonna be really cute. I'm gonna stand over there so you can properly look at the placement of this stuff, and then I think I'm happy with it, so then I'm gonna glue it all on, and after gluing it on I can sew it. I'm really excited because I've looked in the mirror to look myself and how it looks, and I'm pretty pleased. I think I'm really excited about this. It makes my day. Because I'm kind of having like a weird, shitty kind of day. Doesn't matter. I'm happy now. I'm not certain if you still can hear me, but is it? What do you think? I like it. Yay. Makes me happy. And that's just without the details, because I think as soon as the details hit, it's gonna be even better if I can manage to do it properly, because I've been sewing a little bit this morning with the new sewing foot, and it's fun, but it's also kind of it needs to getting some used to. I'm probably not going to be doing an expert job at it, but as long as I do a decent job of it, I'm gonna be happy. So let's start gluing shit to here. Like, I've been using this label glue stick. It's supposed to wash away when you put it in laundry, but it's a good way to stick it, and so that the fabric doesn't move on the other fabric, so it just sticks together. I did not knew that I was going to make patches, but I'm very glad I bought this because it makes life easier. Definitely recommend this label glue stick, or probably any label glue stick or fabric glue stick thing. Yeah, that washes away. That's very important. So I don't have to properly pin it, and it's gonna be neater. Anyway. Oh yeah, another thing I've used a lot is this fabric marker that also washes away. So I can, draw on my fabric, and so that I can either draw the lines that I want to stitch over, or for cutting out, just making an outline so I know where I have to cut. So these things have been so great for this project next to the sewing foot, because the sewing foot is the most important part, but this definitely helps. So yeah, let's get back to it. I know my head is constantly cropped out. I'm sorry, I'm a little bit chaotic this week, but it's fine. Yes. So that was my little suit. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, leave a like, a comment, tell me about your new favorite obsession. I had really much fun playing around. I do think it's going to be a short video, but you probably know that by now. I'm really happy with it. I think it looks really cute. I'm really proud of it, especially my crab. My crab is my favorite part of it, but I really like it. I had a lot of fun trying all the stitches out on my sewing machine and just playing around. It really felt like playing. I have lost track of time a bit, so that's the thing that happened. It's neither bad or good, but a bit annoying, to be honest. But yeah, I really like it. The stains are now not visible anymore. They're underneath some of the patches. I have an inkling that I will play around with this new feature I unlocked on my sewing machine, because I have a ton of leftover fabrics, and I think I'm gonna make some like loose patches that you can sew on and maybe give it to friends and such, because I really enjoy this and I'm not done yet. I am done with the suit, as I've shown you. I hope you like it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you like it and follow me and go on more sewing adventures with me, or maybe we're gonna do some other stuff as well. But yeah, I'm really happy because I can now wear this and it's even better than it ever was. It was really fun. I think it looks really fun as well. Maybe it's not everybody's cup of tea, but it's my cup of tea, and I hope it's yours. But if you don't, that's okay too. Everybody has a right to their own opinion. But yeah, I really love this suit now. Probably gonna wear it loads. Probably gonna wear it tonight to a party and show it off and be all proud and such. But yes, I had a good time and I hope you did too. And I will see you next time. Bye!